Hey guys, so today we have a crochet kit and we're gonna make a bunny. And what it comes inside is actually the little eyes, little sockets, the needles to like sew some stuff, the self markers to find where you left off, and the yarn itself, fluff, and more of the detailed yarns. And they even come to instruction of how to make it. They have a video, they have instruction guide too as well. So let's get started. So here we have the finished product, and as you can see, it's not perfect, but I like it just the way it is. And also they give you so much yarn, so much extra materials that you can decorate as much as you want. You can probably even make another bunny or another carrot because they give you so much. These are just extras that I've made in the past, so it looks nicer like for Easter and stuff like that. And yeah, this bunny is all finished. As you can see, it's even got a pom-pom tail, and they tell you everything on the website. They give you a card of tell you where step-by-step video or just to write it down. And it's super simple. It's perfect for beginners if you want to learn how to do it yourself. This is just perfect for that. I am experienced, but it was still fun to do it. And they tell you how to make everything, even the pom-poms in the back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.